In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to display a list of the most recently updated posts in WordPress. Updates can be made to posts published years ago, and each time you update a post, WordPress stores the date and time of that update in the posts table as the last updated date. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom WordPress query to list your most recently updated articles. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, under Theme Files, click on themefunctions.php. Scroll down to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always just restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. Then click on Update File. Now, one thing to note, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme is updated. Now, to display this list on posts, pages, or the sidebar, we'll use this shortcode. So I'll just go to a post, I'll edit this post. Simply add this shortcode at the bottom of the post, and then click on Update. And now let's view this post. And as you can see, a list of posts is displayed here, with the date they were last updated on. This is how you can display a list of the most recently updated posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.